Happy New Year from Yorkshire Photo Walks. My name is Tom Marsh. I'm also known as the flat-capped photographer, and today I've given myself 2 minutes and 20 seconds to give you a brief overview of what you can expect in 2020 here at Yorkshire Photo Walks, where we've been providing expert photography tuition on short walks through unique and inspirational Yorkshire locations since 2012. Time's ticking, so I better get cracking. Unless the weather's like it is today, it can be really difficult to get inspired to go out and about with your camera during the winter, which is a real shame because personally it's one of my favourite times of year for photography. The sun's a lot lower in the sky, providing this beautiful soft light, and even on the dull days you can get out and about and photograph the drama and mood of the season. That's why during winter 2020 at Yorkshire Photo Walks we've got an action-packed schedule, from photographing rare creatures such as red squirrels to taking you underground to take photographs inside a cave. During February we're once again teaming up with the Yorkshire Dales National Park and taking part in their Dark Skies Festival. We'll be providing photo walks in Grassington to help you to get your camera settings set up for night time, photographing the night sky above Ribblehead Viaduct, and we've also got unique access to England's highest single drop waterfall above ground, Hardraw Force. Now that is one I'm definitely looking forward to. In the spring we'll be taking thinking photographically to the next level, helping you to set up your own photography project and improving your photographic eye. We'll also be revisiting some of our old favourites, such as daffodils, lambs and bluebells. Who doesn't like photographing those? In the summer we'll also be visiting a few old favourites, such as landscape composition and heather moorland. But in summer 2020 at Yorkshire Photo Walks, it's not necessarily just about the landscape. We'll also be visiting York, finding some hidden photography gems, and get your passports ready because we'll also be having a long weekend in London and away days in the Peak District. Last but not least, let's face it, autumn is most people's favourite time of year for taking photographs. And who can blame them? The colours are absolutely spectacular. That's why in autumn 2020, Yorkshire Photo Walks are not just dedicating one, not just two, but 3 whole photo walks to the autumn colours. That's alongside our annual visit to the Lake District, which I'm already looking forward to now. But I'm already going over time, so I'm going to have to wrap up this video. Hopefully you will find inspiration in every season this year with Yorkshire Photo Walks. We're also going to put more effort into updating our social media channels, offering weekly hints and tips on Facebook, sharing our wonderful photographs on Instagram, and also doing some video tutorials on YouTube. You can find all of our social media channel links and all of the details you need for booking photo walks on our website, which is yorkshirephotowalks.com. I look forward to seeing you at some point during 2020. Don't just photograph Yorkshire in 2020, experience it with Yorkshire Photo Walks. Happy New Year!